doors for wing window exits and 2 exit doors in the back. Signs overhead and lights on the floor will lead you to an exit. If an evacuation is necessary, follow flight attendant commands and leave everything. In the event of a water evacuation, we have 4 life rafts on board, 2 in the forward ceiling compartment, 2 life rafts located mid-cabin in the ceiling compartment. Also, there's a life vest underneath your seat. Remove the vest only if told to do so. Pull the red strap to open the container. Remove the pouch as shown in the safety information card. Place the vest over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist. Buckle it in the front and pull to tighten. Once outside, pull down on the red tab to manually inflate. Blow into the tube at your shoulder. Your life vest has a light that turns on automatically in the water. Additional life vests will be distributed if needed. Instructions on how to put a life vest on an infant can be found in the safety information card. We're coming by to make sure your seatbelts are fastened. Seatbacks and tray tables are in their full brain lock position. All carry-on items are stowed either underneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin, leaving the area around your feet clear. Smoking, including the use of electronic cigarettes, is never allowed on board, including our lavatory. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector, including in the lavatory. Federal aviation regulation require passenger compliance with lighted signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions, including information on seatbelts, no smoking, wearing your mask over your nose and mouth unless actively eating or drinking, and not consuming your own alcohol on board.